In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best portable handheld welding machines 2026 on Amazon. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best portable handheld welding machines 2026 on Amazon. Number 5, ARCCAPTAIN 140A Handheld Welder, 110V Portable Arc Welding Machine with LED display, IGBT inverter, hot start, arc force, auto darkening goggles, supports 1/16-inch, 1/8-inch welding rods. 140A Portable Arc Welder Compact Handheld Design delivers powerful welding performance for home, workshop, and outdoor projects. Advanced IGBT inverter technology provides stable arc control, improved energy efficiency, and smooth, consistent welds. LED digital display bright display makes it easy to monitor and adjust welding current with precision. Hot start and arc force control ensures quick arc ignition, minimizes electrode sticking, and improves weld quality. Supports 1/16-inch, 1/8-inch welding rods compatible with a Number 4, Tvgoo Ultra Portable Handheld Welding Machine, 120A 110V IGBT Arc Welder with digital display, memory function, hot start, anti-stick, supports 3/32-inch, 1/8-inch rods. Gray. Ultra Portable Handheld Design lightweight and compact for easy carrying and convenient use at home, workshops, and job sites. 120A IGBT inverter technology delivers stable arc performance, efficient power output, and smooth, consistent welds. Digital display and memory function easily monitor welding settings and save. Preferred current levels for faster operation. Hot start and anti-stick technology improves arc ignition, reduces electrode sticking, and enhances overall welding performance. Supports 3/32-inch, 1/8-inch electrodes compatible with multiple rod sizes for a wide range of welding applications, ideal for DIY and professional repairs, perfect for home maintenance, automotive repairs, metal fabrication, farm equipment, and workshop projects. The Tvgoo Ultra Portable Handheld Welding Machine combines portability, intelligent features, and dependable performance in a compact 120A arc welder. Powered by advanced IGBT inverter technology, it delivers smooth, stable welds while operating from a standard 110V household outlet. The built-in digital display allows precise current adjustment, while the convenient memory function recalls your preferred settings for quicker setup on future projects. Designed with hot start and anti-stick technology, this handheld welder provides easier arc ignition, minimizes electrode sticking, and helps produce cleaner, more consistent welds. Compatible with 3/32-inch to 1/8-inch welding rods, it is well suited for metal repairs, fabrication, DIY projects, and routine maintenance. Whether you're a beginner learning to weld or an experienced user needing a portable solution, Number 3, GNI 2026 Upgraded Handheld Welder, 110V Portable Stick Welding Machine with LED display, IGBT inverter mini arc welder. Includes welding goggles and 20 welding rods. 2026 Upgraded Handheld Welder Compact, lightweight design for convenient welding at home, in workshops, or on the go. Advanced IGBT inverter technology ensures stable arc performance, efficient power output, and smooth, reliable welds. LED digital display clearly displays welding settings for easy monitoring and precise current adjustment. Complete welding kit includes 20 welding rods and protective welding goggles for added convenience. 110V household power operates from a standard outlet, making it ideal for beginners, DIY projects, and home repairs, perfect for multiple applications, suitable for metal fabrication, maintenance, fence repairs, automotive work, and hobby projects. The GNI 2026 Upgraded Handheld Welder is a compact and user-friendly 110V mini-stick welding machine built for beginners, DIY enthusiasts, and experienced users alike. Featuring advanced IGBT inverter technology, it delivers stable arc performance and efficient welding for a variety of metal repair and fabrication tasks. The integrated LED display makes it easy to monitor and adjust welding settings for greater accuracy and consistent results. This complete welding kit comes with 20 welding rods and protective welding goggles, allowing you to start working right out of the box. Its lightweight handheld design offers excellent portability for home garages, workshops, maintenance jobs, and outdoor repairs. Whether you're repairing gates, tools, metal furniture, or completing DIY fabrication projects, the GNI Handheld Welder provides dependable performance, convenience, and versatility in a compact package. Number 2. Protmex Handheld Welder 110V Portable Arc Welding Machine with IGBT Inverter, 5 current settings, supports 3/32-inch, 1/8-inch rods, includes 20 welding rods. Portable handheld arc welder, lightweight and compact, designed for easy transport and convenient use at home or on the job. Advanced IGBT inverter technology provides stable arc performance, smooth welding, and improved energy efficiency. 0.5 adjustable current levels easily customize the output for different welding tasks and material thicknesses. Compatible with multiple rod sizes, supports 3/32-inch to 1/8-inch welding rod. Number 1. Sakerplus Portable Handheld Welding Machine 110V Arc Welder with IGBT Inverter, 5-level current adjustment, welding helmet, 30 welding rods, and carrying case. Portable handheld arc welder, compact, lightweight, designed for convenient welding at home, on job sites, or in the workshop. Advanced IGBT inverter technology delivers stable arc performance, improved efficiency, and consistent welding results. 0.5 level current adjustment easily customize the output to match different materials and welding applications. Complete starter kit includes 30 pieces of 3/32-inch welding rods, a welding helmet, and a durable carrying case. 110V household power operates from a standard household outlet, making it ideal for DIY projects and home repairs. Perfect for DIY